Hi guys, and welcome back. Make yourself comfortable. I will tell you a story about the hunter and the round rabbits. Well, first, the rabbits. We have infinitely many equal round rabbits that form a lattice. Formally speaking, a rabbit is a circle with center at an integer point and fixed radius. The radius of a rabbit can be arbitrarily small, however, it must be greater than 0. Now, the hunter. Hunter is at the origin of the coordinate plane. He has a gun, and he uses this gun, or maybe a rifle, to shoot the rabbit. And he makes one shot at an arbitrary direction. So the question is, will a rabbit be hurt by this shot? Does it depend, or how does it depend, on the slope of the shot? A shot is a line with a fixed slope. Well, the first case, if the slope is rational, then we understand that this line will go through an integer point, so one of the rabbits will be shot directly in its center. But what if the slope is irrational? Well, in this case, we understand that the line will not pass through any of the integer points. However, the question is, will any of the rabbits be hurt? And we know that rabbit is more than just one point. It is a circle with a radius greater than 0. In order to decide whether a rabbit will be shot or not, write the formula for such distance. What is this distance? Well, if the shot passes between two rabbits on one vertical line, then consider the distance from the bullet to the rabbit below, to the lower rabbit. And this distance is actually equal to the fractional part of m alpha, where m is the x-coordinate of the vertical line. For instance, here m is equal to 7. And alpha is the slope of the line. Delta is the distance between the bullet and the rabbit. But not the rabbit, but the center of the rabbit. Delta is the distance between the bullet and the center of the rabbit. And now simply recall the Kroneker's theorem, which states that fractional part of m alpha can be arbitrarily small if alpha is an irrational number and m is an integer. This fractional part of m alpha can be arbitrarily small. So for some m, it will be smaller than the radius of these rabbits. So one of the rabbits will always be hurt by the bullet. So the answer to the original question, will any of the rabbits be hurt, is positive in any case. If the slope is rational and if the slope is irrational, in both these cases, one of the rabbits will be hurt. And if the bullet passes through the rabbit, then infinitely many rabbits will be hurt.